How to increase Instagram story length. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to increase Instagram story length. So in order to increase the story length of your Instagram stories, all you have to do is just simply open your Instagram, and after that just swipe right in order to open the camera or the story. So you have two options: either you can directly start recording from the record button from your Instagram, or you can choose to upload the already have video in your device, that the video that you already have in your device. For example, I'm choosing this one. So after the latest update in the Instagram, now you can upload a story more than 15 second or 30 and last up to 60 seconds without any breakage. So for example, I'm taking this particular video right here. So as you can see that when I scroll this particular bar at the bottom, you can see it is 59 second point 99. That means if I will take and upload this particular video right here, it will upload 60 second. Just simply click on done from the top menu. And now when you will upload this particular video in your story, you can see that the Instagram will upload this video without breaking it into 15-second short stories like it would do earlier, because of the new update that the Instagram has right now. So the story will get uploaded in 60 second video directly to your Instagram story without any hassle. So this is basically how you will be able to increase Instagram story length. I hope you find this video to be helpful.